gray, pink. Okay, that's a good job, Saka. Now, Saka, please give me black. Where is black? Now please take off yellow, gray, and green. Yellow, gray, and green. Gray and green. Green. Okay, take off in on your table, please. Okay, now please take off blue, orange, and red. Good job. Now take it on your table, please. Okay, now please take off black, brown, green, black, brown, pink, purple, and white. Good job. Take it on your table. Okay, good job, Saka. Now, please count how many colors we got. Count from 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
10, 11.
11.
How many colors? Ada berapa colorsnya? 11. Hi, hello Nora. Rain. Mouse, pintar. Rambut apa nih rambut? Hair. Oke. Lagi. Iya. Tip, pintar. One, finger, one. Badannya apa? Finger. Nah. Gampang ini. Nose. Hidung ya. Kepala. Head. Pundak. Shoulders. Pintar. Nah sekarang, where is face? It is face. Okay. Please give me face. This is
orange.
Okay, good job, Saka. Where is teeth?
It is
Give me teeth, please.
orange.
Thank you, Saka. Where is nose? It is
Nose.
Give me mouth. Give me nose, please.
This is body.
Thank you, Saka. Where is chin? It is chin. Give me chin, please. This is for.
This is body.
Okay, thank you, Saka. What is this? Chin. It is chin. Okay. Saka, stand up here.
No.
Now, please take off face, mouth, and hair. Face, mana face? Where is face? Oh no, it's hair. No, it's back. Where is hair? Face, face. This is our face. Where is face? Yeah, good job. Now take it on your table, please. Take it on your table. Okay. Now please take off nose, chin, and ear. Where is nose, chin, and ear? Yes, it nose. Okay. Where is chin? Chin and ear. No, it's hair. Ear, mana ear? Ear. This is our ear. This is your ear. Good job. Take it on the table. Take it on your table. Alhamdulillah.
Kan yang jadi biru banyak ya.
Now take off teeth, head, and shoulder.
Ini
Kansa jadi apa? Dokter.
Kenapa dulu?
Take it on your table, please.
Kamu jadi apa? Kamu jadi dokter.
Now please take off hair, finger, and eye.